Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be reviewing a hardwood floor cleaner. This is by the brand Method. It is called the Squirt and Mop Cleaner. This particular one is in spearmint fragrance. As you can see, the bottle is pretty ergonomic. It has a pull up and pop down a nozzle, and you just squirt the liquid on the floor and then go ahead and mop it with a microfiber cloth or a dry mop. This particular liquid is made for hardwood floors only, but if you want, you can try and use it on another floors. I in particular use it only as in hardwood floor cleaner. Now the design of the bottle is pretty ergonomic. It's easy to hold in one hand and use a mop to mop the floor from the other. Coming to the actual product, this bottle contains 25 ounces of liquid. It retails at about less than, I would say, $5 or $6. This is a biodegradable formula with a plant-based cleaning power, and it is popularly known as one-step clean, where you just squirt the liquid and then go ahead and mop it out. You don't need to rinse or go with water on top of it afterwards. And this can be used to clean linoleum, vinyl, laminate, and tile floors. I have used it on laminate and hardwood floors. I'm not really tried using it on vinyl and linoleum. Now, overall, the product is good. It helps you get rid of dirt and any kind of gunk that is on your floor. But I would say this is not like heavy duty cleaner. This is something that you use on a regular basis or on daily basis. You can use it maybe once or twice a week, and to get the house clean, get the feeling of a clean house which smells good, and go on. So this is more of a daily use, regular use liquid. But if you are looking for something which is heavy duty, or just cleans the floor and makes them look like this probably is not the product that you should be looking for. This, I think, is pretty basic. It gets the job done. It is very, very easy to use. As you all know, cleaning hardwood floors is a task, and if you are short of time, I prefer using this. I have used the Swiffer disposable pads before, but I find them, first of all, not reusable is not good, so it turns out to be an expensive affair in the long time. And then secondly, they also leave streaks on my floor, and which sometimes turns sticky. I do not really like residue on hardwood floor. Sometimes I do walk barefoot on the floor and it does not give a good feeling, so I prefer this over the Swiffer mop, and I think this is a much better product than that. And there are a couple of other products that I will be soon reviewing for hardwood floor cleaning, but I think this is easy to use, no residue on the floor, gets the dirt off, basically gets the job done. And it is very quick and easy. So if you are someone who has kids, who does not have a lot of time at hand, or who is expecting company but doesn't have a day to get the house cleaned, this is easy. This is like you just squirt, you just use a mop to clean the floor, and it will give you that clean feeling. If you like a much more cleaner feel and more of a deep cleaning feel to your floors, I usually do it once in a few months. I go ahead and do a steaming mop, or I go ahead and mop the floor first with this and then go back and do the floor polishing. So there are a few options which you can try and check out and can achieve that deep clean look, but this is more of an easy way out. Overall, I think it's a good product, and it suffices the use case for a lot of the population. And I think it can be something that you have in your cleaning stash. I have linked the product details in the description box, so check it out, and see if you would like to give it a shot. Also, if you like this review, please give a like and thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you would like me to review any particular products, let me know, and I would be happy to review them for you. Thank you.